So Steve is one of my customers that has the ultimate social distancing job. Traveling at Mach 1 at 4,000 feet, I don't think he has to worry about the coronavirus catching up to him there. This is his Yamaha, what is it, a 720? Okay, so this is a high-end Yamaha. We put a compensated cantilevered saddle on that, dressed the frets at the neck junction, and of course a compensated nut. So let me just strum a couple of chords quickly. He's on his way over to pick it up. Here's a rundown of all the first position chords. Now this is set up for 11 to 52, very easy to play. Drop the action way down on this one. And it's tuned to concert pitch, and that's it. So Steve's going to be here any second, so cutting it short on this one. We'll put it away and get ready for him.